Good evening. I am Mark Angelo Villegas. Our topic is a legacy of heroes. Legacy of Bataan and Corregidor is a testament to the courage, sacrifice, and resilience of people and American soldiers who defended the Philippines against the Japanese invasion. During World War II, despite facing overwhelming odds, this hero fought bravery and delaying the Japanese advance and inspiring future generations. Valiant defense, the combined force of the U.S. Army Force in the Far East, USA, FFE, a brotherhood forged from Filipino and American soldiers, stood shoulder to shoulder in determined defense of Bataan and Corregidor against the reckless of the Japanese 14th Army. They mounted a heroic resistance, transforming the peninsula and island into a bastion of courage and defense. Despite being outnumbered and facing dwindling supplies, their unwavering commitment and strategy delayed the enemy advance, buying precious time and inspiring hope in the darkness of ours. Their brilliant stand became a symbol of resistance and testament to the unbreakable bond between two nations, forever etch their name in the annals of military history. Strategic importance. The defense of Bataan and Corregidor was not merely a tactical maneuver, it was a crucial component of war plan. Orange, a tactical blueprint designed to threat the Japanese advance in the Philippines. By holding this key location, the USAFF aimed to deny the enemy access to Manila, its vital strategic harbor, crippling their ability to resupply and reinforce their force. The troops were expected to hold out until reinforcements arrived, a lifeline that tragically was delayed and ultimately insufficient. Nevertheless, their sacrifice and tenacity played a pivotal role that disturbed the Japanese time to end, demonstrating the unwavering resolve of the Allied force in the Pacific theater.